Hey guys, it's Erica and welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing another review tutorial swatches of a brand new palette that has come out this month in January. Molly is sitting back there eating some yogurt at my desk, but anyways, she'll just be kind of talking in the background. But I have put on my foundation, powder, blush, bronzer, you know, all of that stuff. I left off my eyeshadow because this is an eyeshadow palette and I wanted to do a tutorial for you guys. So I figured I'll just start off the video with that, since the other videos I usually do for eyeshadow palettes, I do the intro after I film the video. So I thought I'd switch it up a little bit. So anyways, let's get on into the video. Okay, so I just purchased this new eyeshadow palette and this is called Meet Matte Shmaker by the Balm. Look at how cute that is. Isn't that just like, they have some of the cutest packaging, and it comes with like a little sleeve, okay? So it comes with the sleeve, and then you take the sleeve off, it looks the exact same. Excuse my disgusting nails as well, sorry. And then here's the back. So this retails for $29.50 on the Balm's website, which is where I purchased it. This took, I'd say, about 5 days to get to me, so not that long, but not that short either. And this comes with 12 eyeshadows, and it comes with 6 matte, 6 shimmer. They're split in half, so you can see they're kind of split in half there. So you have the matte shades on top and the shimmer shades on the bottom, and they're split like that with 12 shadows. Now I will say that this palette does look it is a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be like, you know, maybe that tall, and it's a lot smaller than I thought, especially for being, you know, almost $30. And the eyeshadows are small as well. It says there is, let me see here. Okay, so it tells me there's 9.6 grams of product, and you know what, honestly I'm not even sure what that means. I try to watch the beauty news and they're like, oh, it has like this much product in it, and they weigh it out and then destroy it or whatever. But honestly, it just says here it's 9.6 grams of product. The net weight is 0.34 ounces, so maybe that's like per pan or something. Anyway, so yeah, I just thought it was going to be, you know, bigger than this, but I mean, it's still very nice and pretty, and their packaging is just on point. And yeah, I'm excited to try this out. So, and the mirror folds back, which is nice because, I mean, I always feel like when I do that, like it's kind of like a book, you break the spine, and I feel weird doing that to palettes, so I usually don't, but that one just seemed to be like effortless. So let's just get right on into the tutorial now. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to use my Model's Own eyeshadow primer because I know that this is a good primer. And I'm going to try and use my mirror here on my little table, but I'm blind, so who knows how well this is going to work. And then I'm just going to blend that in with my finger. Okay, so I just primed my lids, and then I'm just going to go straight into the palette. I'm going to set my eyes with Matte Limos. You know what? I'm just going to butcher every name in here, so I'm just going to prepare you for that. But it's this light shade right here, and I'm just going to set that with like a flat brush. Alright, so I just set the eyeshadow primer, and now I'm going to zoom you in, that way you can see all of the colors and application of these on my eye. Alright, so now that I zoomed you in, I'm going to go in with a just this like Wet n Wild blender brush. It's kind of dirty, but it'll work. So I think I'm gonna go, I don't know if I want a neutral look today or not. I mean, I do have to go to work after this, but I think I'm going to go in with this matte, oh geez, Stupak? I don't know. Looks like this. and it's just like it looks like a nice like crease color, so I'm gonna do that in my crease. Okay, so far they seem to be very well pigmented. I have like weird foundation thing going on there. But they do seem to be very well pigmented, and I mean, you can see in the camera, like I only dipped it like twice and I knocked off all the rest and it's still showing up like that, so that's like really good. Alright, so there's both eyes done, and I think it turned out really good. So, Molly in the background. So I'm gonna go in with with this matte. I have no idea what she's saying. This matte I don't even know. It's this one right here. It's like a nice pinky matte color. I'm just gonna put that in the crease as well.
Wow.
Very lightly though. I don't want too much of it. Alright, so that shade is definitely very pigmented as well. I definitely saw it when it was going on, and I think it looks really nice. I am going to try and darken the eye look just a tad bit, like ever so slightly. So I'm going to go in with a crease brush because it's like a little bit flatter. And I'm going to go in with this color Matte Campbell. That's like the only one I can pronounce because it's like the Campbell soup. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that on and focus it on the outer corner here and just smudge it in just a little bit. Alright, so basically just like that, and then I'm going to go back in with that same blender brush that I had from Wet n Wild that we used previously, and I'm just going to blend out that color. So there I have it blended out, and I'm not sure where my camera cut off, so anyway, so I have it blended out from here, so it looks really good. Now I have a dilemma on what color I want to use for the center of my eye. So I don't know if I want to use Rose Snyder, Lisa Campbell, bless you, or Kate, yep, that one I can't pronounce. So I have this color, and this color. I'm not the green over here, purple. So I think I kind of want to go with this like greenish gold color. I don't know, I'm kind of feeling that today. So I'm going to go with that. No. And now Molly hopped down from her chair and she's kind of like all over the place. Please don't play with that. Alright, so I'm going to go in with this Eco Tools full eyeshadow brush and go into that Rose Snyder color. Now this is a dry brush, so we're going to see how well it picks up the product on a dry brush. There is kind of some fallout on there, if you can see it. Probably not. And it won't focus, so, but there is some fallout. Bless you. So that green is like, Molly, get off of that. That green is like really, really pigmented. It's like a mix between so it's like a mix between a green gold, like it's a green and a gold together. I mean, I don't know how well it goes with this makeup look, but it looks really nice. There's just like a lot of fallout on it. Yeah, where'd it go?
Bye.
It went buys. Okay, so I just put it on the other eye as well, and in the camera, like, it's looking orange up here, which it very well could be. But the color that's right above it, Matte Snyder, this one, I'm gonna take that on another blender brush, and I'm gonna get a little bit on there, and I'm just gonna like blend that color in to the crease just to help blend that that green metallic shimmer shade. Okay, so I added some of that color to the crease, and then just one more time I'm just going to take a different blender brush, and I'm just going to blend out the edges to that, just to everything. Alright, so there it is. And to be completely honest, I feel like this eye looks pretty good, but I feel like this eye is starting to look kind of dirty. I don't know why that would be. I mean, that's kind of odd. But I'm just going to take a regular e.l.f. blending brush. I'm just going to take a regular flat brush here from e.l.f. and I'm just going to use that first color that I used to set it right underneath my brow bone. Oh, I dropped it. And then I'm going to go in with this flat liner brush, I believe is what this is called. Looks like this. Hi. And I'm going to go in with this light pink one here. And I'm going to use that on my waterline. I am noticing I have a lot of fallout from that glitter underneath my eyes. So I just brushed that away, but that's kind of irritating because you do your makeup already and then you get fallout. Alright, so that's what it looks like now. And I think that's it for the eyeshadow. I think it actually turned out pretty good. So I'm gonna go put my mascara on, my eyelashes, and then my lipstick, and then I will come back to you guys and let you know my final opinions on this. Alright, so that is the finished makeup look. I put my lashes on. So I put my lashes on, my lipstick on. I went with the color Embellishment from NYX Lip Lingerie, and I think it just really completes the look. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial and the look that I created. I tried to use as many colors as I could from this palette, and I think I definitely did. I have no idea what she's doing down here. But I think that it turned out pretty good. I think these shadows are extremely pigmented. And to be quite honest, this is the first the Balm palette that I've used, and I don't think it disappointed. So I definitely think if you want a palette that has both shimmer and matte and they complement each other, I definitely think that you should get this palette. They like paired up the colors so that way you don't really have to think about it. It's like they put the matte and the shimmer together, so if you wanted a quick, throw it in the crease and blend it out, put the shimmer on your lid, and you're good to go. Like, that's very simple and easy and not time consuming at all. I definitely think you should get that if you need something easy, simple, fast, ready to go. And yeah, but that is the whole video. At the end I will put the swatches for this as well, that way you guys can see how they swatch and what all of the colors look like, since I know I didn't use every single one of them obviously, but that way you guys can see all of the colors, and that will be at the end of this video. But I hope that you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button on your screen, as well as the bell that's right next to it, so that way you get notified of more videos that are on my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! only wants to say goodbye and give kisses. You say bye?
Bye.
You blow kisses? Mwah. Yeah. You're so sweet.
No.
Nose?
Eye.
Eye? Ear? That is your ear. Where's your lips?
Lip.
Lip.
Oh.
Where's your hair? Yeah.